Hi everyone, I am Sandeep Ranjan. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to learn and understand about how to use Move or Copy tool in Fusion 360. So let's get started. So first of all, we will draw something. Let's just suppose I'm just going to create a cube shape. So just select the plane. And after that, from the sketch, I will start drawing something. Let's just suppose I am just right now going to create a rectangle with like center rectangle. Center rectangle is like very nice and beautiful tool which can be used from this particular create section, which can be selected from this particular create section. Now my one particular sketch is ready and just I will finish it up and then we'll extrude it. Extrude so that we can have some sort of 3D effect. Now let's just suppose this is my new body and I have clicked on OK, finish the sketch and extrusion is done. Now at this point, we will first of all understand how to move it from one place to another place. So to use this particular move tool, there is a shortcut which is M. You can just tap on your M button on the keyboard. Your move or copy tool will be activated. So now here you can see there are multiple options. So right now we are having this is as a 3D. This is my one object. So basically this is a body. So we will be selecting body itself. Then we have to select from the selection. Means to say like let's say I have selected this particular object and now we can move it from one place to another place right now in whichever direction we need. Let's suppose if you have to move upwards, you have to select this particular thing. It will move in the 3D axis and you can find the gap over here. This was my base. If you want to move it in the right direction, you can move right or left something from here. And if let's suppose if you have to go down, then you can just move it from here. And apart from this, let's suppose if you have to rotate, then there are certain orientations which you can select. So this option, you can move it in one direction. Then there is another option which you can select and move it in another different direction as per your requirement of the design. And there is another option which can be used to rotate your object in different directions. So these were the features which can be used for having your move option. I hope you understood this particular thing. Now we will see how to create a copy of this particular body. So again, we will go to the same option. Shortcut is M. Once you will press M, your option will be activated. You have to select same as a body selection, then got selected. Now you can find here one option which is called create a copy. So we'll just select it and you want a copy. So you can just drag it up and then here you can see your another copy is ready and then we will click OK. So basically if you have to create a copy again, then same function you have to follow, press M, your options will be activated and then bodies select and again select. If you want to copy both the things, then select both the object and then you can basically first, sorry, I forgot to click this create a copy. Generally you will be making this mistake. So I was just showing you how you can avoid the mistake. So directly don't move it. First tap on create a copy. So we will do this once again. So let's cancel it. Let's press M. Let's press M and then body is selected over here. Now selection 1 and 2. Two objects selected. Now you can see my create copy is ready to go. I have selected it. Now I will move it. Now you can find my all copies of this particular solid work. So that's all for the video. I hope you understood how to move and copy in Fusion 360. Keep watching, keep learning.